Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete all of your Facebook photos or videos at once. Without further delay, let's begin. So first of all, open your Facebook app. Now go to your profile and then tap on the three lines just right to the add to story option. And now tap on activity log. Now you'll have to choose the option your posts and then tap on photos and videos. Now these are all of the photos and videos you have ever added to your Facebook accounts. So in order to delete them all at once, simply tap on the option all. And now once you tap the option trash, which is right over here, you'll have to tap on continue to confirm it one last time, and once you tap continue, you will have successfully deleted all of your Facebook photos and videos at once. But if you don't want to delete everything and just want to delete selective few, you can simply untick them, or you could also select just the photos which you want to delete and then tap on trash. So that is how you delete all of your Facebook photos and videos at once. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.